Hello, freelancers and solopreneurs. I'm Mike Volkin, lead instructor at Freelancer Masterclass. We talk a lot about at the Masterclass about never missing an opportunity. And one of the ways I do that is with Deep Watch. If you go to deep-watch.net, you'll get to expose yourself to a lot of opportunities that are out there online that you may have not have seen otherwise. Just imagine how much of your opportunities you actually see versus the world that's out there that you could see. Well, Deep Watch helps you see all that unseen stuff you would normally not see on a daily basis because there's so much out there. So what you do is you create an account at deep-watch.net, and there is a free account. And if you want, the more alerts you want to get, you can pay for it. But the free account will suffice at first until you really fall in love with it. So what you do when you log in is you create a task. And all you have to do, in this case, you just name the task. Now, in this particular task, I want to monitor keywords from Quora. So whenever a question is posted by another freelancer on Quora, I want to see if I can answer it. And if I can, I want to be alerted of it. And then you just put in the address on where you want to send the alerts to. And then you can even put on do not disturb. Like if you don't want to be sent alerts during a certain time, I don't utilize that, but I could see how that could be useful. And then you put in simply what you want to monitor on Quora. So I want to monitor the word freelance. I've also put in the word freelancer or freelancing. And then you can even put in the type, like, do I want to monitor questions or blog posts or just answers or any combination of those? And then you just click, send or start, and then you'll get an email. And the emails, let me just pull up an email here on what it'll look like. The emails look like this. And as you can see, it says alert on multiple tasks, Deep Watch. Now, what I do is I filter this. I create a label in my Gmail. So all the alerts come into an alert folder. So they don't interrupt my normal part of my day, but I make a calendar reminder for myself twice a day to check my alerts. Okay, so in this case, I see multiple alerts for today, and I could probably answer all 7 of these. Now, do I want to take the time to do that today? Probably not. But what I would do if I can't answer them all today is I would just flag it, and then I would come back on another day or a weekend or whatever and just finish up answering them if I want to answer them, and maybe even comment on some of the answers and just be interactive. But this is what builds your presence online. A lot of people will do this for a week and then drop it because they don't see any results. But just remember my adage of, it's like a rolling snowball downhill, right? So it'll take a while to build that snowball first. And then when you start to get going with some of the tasks, you won't see very much in return. But over time, organically, that snowball will be very, very big as it gets down to the bottom of the hill. And there's little you have to do because you have so many answers out there on Quora, for example, or other forums. So stick with it for at least 2 months, if not 3 months. And then I almost can guarantee you, you will start to see good returns and good awareness and good branding and good traffic out of the fruits of your labor. So stick with it. Hope you enjoy.